Part C of the Chapter 15 lab.
It is. Now we're titrating a weak acid with the strong base, the sodium hydroxide that is in our burette.
Okay.
And so you're going to want to know the molarity of the NaOH that we're using, and it is 0.906.
This is a different NaOH than we used in part
Different
A and B.
NaOH
Okay.
than we were using for parts A and B. Yep. 0.906 molarity of our NaOH. Okay, we're measuring out 20 milliliters of our weak acid. Oh, by the way, you have sample 1. It's weak acid sample number 1.
And what is the concentration of it?
Yeah, now you're going to need to know the mass percent concentration of this acid. It is 0.624. Mass percent concentration 0.624. You'll need that number. So much like we did in the other parts, we're going to add our acid to our reaction beaker, and we will titrate it and see what our pH meter says as we go.
So we'll do the same titration. We're going to titrate past the equivalence point.
Yep. Are you ready, Mr. Moore?
Looks like a pretty weak acid, yeah, compared to the strong acid titration.
Yeah.
we did.
Well, you can tell the difference right away in
Yep.
the starting pH. Oh, now should we say this? What you're trying to figure out with this weak acid is what is its molar mass and what is its Ka value.
Yep.
Those are the two things you're trying to get, molar mass and Ka value. I'll lower this down. Okay, here we go. Just a dash more. Okay, there's 1 milliliter added. I like this burette already. It has dark graduation, so you
Oh,
can
yeah,
actually see.
better to see.
Okay, there's 2 milliliters added. Oops, stabilizing, kind of?
Yeah, it's good. Just pick one of those.
Yeah. There's 3 milliliters added. Four milliliters added. Five milliliters added. Six milliliters added. Notice the pH creeps up, but not quite as slowly as if it's a strong acid.
Mm-hmm.
8 milliliters added. Nine milliliters added. Ten milliliters added. $11 milliliters added. $12 milliliters added.
Oh, we've broken 4. We're getting somewhere.
Not quickly though.
Mm-mm.
13 milliliters added. $14 milliliters added. $15 added. $16 added. That was a little bigger jump, wasn't it?
We had a jump, yeah, then it kind of came back, but I think we may be getting someplace good.
Yeah. I'm going to go by halves now.
Okay.
I think. So that was 16 added. Here's 16 and a half added.
All right, 16 and a half.
17. $17 and a half. $18. $18 and a half.
Seems like it wants to jump.
It does. 19. It's teasing you.
It is.
$19 and a half. $20.
Okay.
20 and a half. $21. Wow. Thought it was really taking off.
I thought so. 6.87. This is 21, right?
That was 21. This is 21 and a half. Takes a little bit of time for that neutralization to happen.
Yeah, it does. It's not instant. It's like the added hydroxide has to find its way to the hydrogens.
Yeah.
All right, let's go with that. 8.03. Yeah.
There's 22 added.
Oh, I think we found it.
There it goes. $22 and a half. All those little increments will make for a really good titration curve.
Yep.
$23. $23 and a half. $4.
Maybe just go out to 25, yeah.
Yeah, there's 25.
think they have enough in the data table for 26 data points.
Okay.
So never one to leave a data space empty.
We don't want to be wasteful, do we?
No. Goodness. $26.
Oh.
Look at that.
12.00.
Plotted that out, everybody. All right,
Okay.
so weak acid sample number 1, molar mass, and the Ka value. That's what you're after.
And again, the concentration of the acid, 0.624%.
0.624.